Welcome back to Beki Décor, the sanctuary where organic modernism meets mindful craftsmanship. I'm Becky. If you've ever looked at a pile of leftover lumber, or a landlord's special apartment and felt uninspired, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are mastering the art of scrapwood alchemy. I remember one weekend, I was sorting through a dusty box of offcuts and ended up building a tiny herb planter for my windowsill. That one small victory completely shifted how I saw my home. And that's exactly the inspiration I'm bringing to you today. We are diving into simple wood projects that anyone can build. Yes, even if you're a total beginner. I'm pulling back the curtain on my senior designer secrets to show you how to blend rustic charm with high-end functionality. We aren't just making crafts today. We are curating breathtaking architectural accents that turn your space into a warm, soulful retreat. So, grab your tools, find your favorite scrap of wood, and let's get grounded. Let's start building your sanctuary. Designer Secret 1: the Scrapwood Herb Planter, thrifted style. If you've ever wondered, what can I do with a small box of offcuts? This is your answer. We're building a simple scrapwood planter. Step 1. Sort through your odd planks and cut them into 4 equal sides. Step 2. Assemble them into a box that brightens your entryways or tabletops. This is material alchemy, taking a small victory from the burn pile and turning it into a show-stopping highlight for your sunny sill. Designer Secret 2: the beginner's bookshelf, functional style. Can a beginner really build furniture today? Absolutely. This is the easy DIY wood upgrade. We're creating a custom bookshelf that blends rustic charm with modern functionality. The designer secret here is linear rhythm. Ensure your shelves are perfectly spaced to create a sense of architectural order. It's an approachable way to showcase your favorite moments while honing your skills. Designer Secret 3: the rustic tabletop transformation, cozy retreat. To turn a space into a cozy retreat, we need tactile warmth. We're repurposing leftover lumber into a stunning rustic coffee table or serving tray. Step 1. Join your planks to create a solid surface. Step 2. Hand apply a wax finish to showcase the natural beauty of the grain. This project brings nature indoors and Designer Secret 4: the handcrafted frame, personalized artistry. Picture frames are the ultimate simple wood project. By using mitered offcuts, you can handcraft unique frames that tell a story. This is scale manipulation. A thick, chunky frame makes even a small photo look like a gallery piece. It's the perfect way to infuse character into your sanctuary for almost zero cost. Designer Secret 5: shadow architecture, the atmospheric reveal. The final 10% is the light. By casting shadows across your handcrafted pieces, you highlight the living history of the wood. Whether it's a storage crate or a wall hook, your space now feels evolved. You've turned simple woodworking into breathtaking home inspiration. Senior Designer Secret 6: the architectural tallow block, 3D wall relief. To truly master scrapwood alchemy, we need to move from functional to architectural. Step 1. Gather your smallest offcuts, the ones you were tempted to throw away, and mount them to a backboard at varying heights. Step 2. Apply a thin, monochromatic whitewash or charcoal stain. This is shadow architecture. By unifying these different wood species under one tone, you emphasize the geometric silhouette rather than the scrap. It's a senior designer secret that transforms a box of trash into a breathtaking 3D relief that adds tactile integrity to your walls. It turns nothing into a bespoke gallery statement that screams high-end luxury. As you grab your tools today, remember, every simple scrapwood DIY project is an act of sustainable creativity. You are transforming everyday trash into breathtaking treasures. You don't need a professional workshop to have a designer life. You just need the vision to see the joy in the offcut. Thank you for letting me be a part of your story today. Stay inspired and stay grounded.